I think a Wampus Cat is someone that believes in standing up for what they want, having fun, making memories that last.
A Wampus Cat is a cat from the jungle.
A Wampus Cat is made of three important principles: honesty, integrity, and humility.
A Wampus Cat is a spiritual animal. A Wampus Cat is someone who always has spirit and is life in the party.
I don't really know what a Wampus Cat is. I think it's a mystical creature.
They have 4 legs apparently with claws.
So when you look it up, it's literally just some weird Harry Potter thing.
I think that being a Wampus Cat means that at Leesville High School, you can be who you want to be.
Wampus Cat is a 6-legged mountain lion.
Spending time with everybody here and enjoying the Friday night lights.
Being a Wampus Cat means going to homecoming, and football games, and going to assembly to show your support. What a Wampus Cat means, you spend time getting to know people and teachers and basically having a good time. And that's what I think a Wampus Cat means to me.
What is a Wampus Cat? Many people have probably been asked that if you're from Leesville High School, and probably one of the first things I would say is, well, a lot of people think it's some type of a animal, or the Cherokee Indians you always hear about, they said it's some legend of the swamp cat or something to that effect.
Okay, so what is a Wampus Cat? Well, a Wampus Cat is really a mythical bobcat, basically. But for us, what it means is that we're strong, we're resilient, tough, we got a fighting spirit. It means that we're always on the prowl for what the next big thing is, for excellence, for success, whatever that is. That's what a Wampus Cat is.